Alors, je vais vous présenter cette magnifique
I would like to
table.
introduce the
Donc, de la
magnificent
droite vers la
cast
gauche.
from right to
Hadjé,
left.
Fatima
Hadji
Nouah,
Fatimeh Ngwa,
Rian Khalil Alio,
Rian Khalil Alio,
le réalisateur
the
Mohamed Saleh
director
Haroun,
Mohamed Saleh Haroun,
les actrices
the
Ashwar
actresses
Abakar Suleiman,
Ashok Abakar Suleiman
Bria Gomdigué,
and Bria Gomdige,
et enfin le chef
and
opérateur
finally
Mathieu
the
Tombini.
DOP Mathieu Giombini.
Alors, je sais qu'il y a pas mal de questions
I know there are quite a lot
déjà,
of
dans la
questions
salle, mais
in the
avant, je vais
room,
poser une
but
question,
before I'd like to
à
ask
chacun,
a
donc,
question to each
en
of you
français, et ensuite on
in
passera,
French, and then, of
à vos
course,
questions.
we'll move on to the
Première question,
questions from
bien
the
sûr, elle est
floor.
pour vous,
First question
Mohamed Saleh
for
Haroun. Il y a un
Mohamed
motif
Saleh Haroun.
visuel récurrent
There's a
dans votre film,
recurrent
ce sont ces
visual
femmes
theme in your
avec ces
film.
magnifiques
It's these women with
architectures
these
de colliers,
magnificent
sur la tête. Alors,
architectures,
très beau, on dirait des
baskets
idoles,
on their head. It's very
et en
beautiful,
même temps, c'est le fruit de leur dur
but it's the
labeur.
fruit at the same
Et je me
time
suis
of their
demandé
very
si cette
hard
image,
labor.
ces
And I
femmes qui sont à la
wondered
fois
whether
misérables
this
et totalement
image
dignes,
was that of a very poor woman who's totally dignified. Is that the starting point of your film?
Je ne sais pas si c'était le point de
I
départ.
don't know whether that was
mais
the
en tout
starting
cas,
point of my
c'était
film,
en faire des
but in any
figures
case, I wanted
dans l'espace.
to
C'est ce qu'on voit en réalité.
make these figures stand out in
Au-delà
space,
des clichés,
over and above preconceived ideas and stereotyped ideas of women doing 10,000 things with something on their head, a baby on their back.
il y a quelque chose que
But
je voulais exploiter,
I wanted
ces fourneaux, les
to
canons, comme on les appelle.
show you these kanun
Ça
in
n'était pas, en
particular.
fait, la base pour
That wasn't really the basis for the film. I thought of it, though. It was in my mind, and we worked on this.
En fait, c'est arrivé sur le plateau juste à un moment donné.
At a given point in time, on the set, this idea sort of
Qui est
grew, and Mathieu Giombini, who's here,
comme ça,
suggested that we follow the shadow, and we thus created these silhouettes.
oui, voilà, des silhouettes graphiques.
Yes,
comme ça.
they're very graphic silhouettes,
Moi, plus
and it reminded
Vietnam
me,
et le Japon.
perhaps not so much of Vietnam, but of Japan. I have a great affection for Japan, and I thought, let's opt for this. And they're very strong women, too. Yes, they're very strong women.
Mais qui ne baissent pas les
They're
bras.
strong women who don't give up.
Des femmes qui sont en elles-mêmes
These
des
women
leçons de courage.
in themselves are real lessons of courage. And I had in mind
Toutes
this
les
idea
films et même
when writing the film, and even when shooting it. There was this story of a woman that I was told once.
son mari
Her husband
est parti voir sa femme.
was a foreigner, and he went off to see his family, and he died on the journey, and she never saw him again. So she ended up all alone with her children to survive.
Il ramassait des sachets en plastique et
She picked up plastic bags and wove them into rope. And thanks to that, she was able to send her children to school. And that story was really the starting point of this whole train of thought, these very strong women. Rian Khalil Alio, you're Maria in the film. You're 15 years old. I think in real life you're a bit older. Yes, I'm 19. I think you can take off your mask while you're speaking if you want to. In the film, you're 15 years old, you're pregnant, you don't want to keep the child, but in Chad, abortion is forbidden. Is abortion a taboo subject in Chad? Is this a situation which the women you know have had to contend with? Yes. We all know that in Chad, it's a very taboo subject. It's banned. It's banned to get pregnant unless you're married. So I don't know any women or girls who have been subject to that violence personally, but a lot of people have gone through this. And for out of fear, they don't say anything, they remain silent, and they just have to live with it. Ashwar Abakar Suleiman, you are Amina in the film, in Lingui. the mother of
Je vais vous poser
Maria.
la même question
I'd like to
qu'à
ask you the
Rihan,
same
et puis
question
après,
that
j'aimerais
I
qu'on
asked
parle
to
de la
Rihan.
langue,
And then
de
I'd like to
l'expression de la
talk
langue dans
about
le
the
film qui
language in the
personnage.
film, which
Et est-ce que,
really
pour
is a
compléter ce
feature
que
of your
disait Rihan, est-ce
character.
que,
Do you want to
l'avortement
round
est un
off what
tabou
Rihan
total?
was saying? Is abortion a total taboo subject in Chad? Yes, it is indeed. If you're not married, you're not supposed to get pregnant. So if someone isn't married and falls pregnant, you can't talk about it. And that's very difficult because this kind of thing happens about everywhere. But elsewhere, you can talk about it. In Chad, you have to keep it a secret. And that makes life very difficult because you're all alone. And Amina was all alone with her daughter who needed to take a decision. Could we talk about the cast and the language spoken in the film? You speak to your daughter and your sister in French, but you speak Arabic and Chadian to your neighbors. And I think that's part and parcel of your character. It depicts the kind of family you come from. Amina got pregnant at the age of 15 years old, and she was rejected because she came from a very good family. When you come from a good family who's well known, this is something that's quite unbearable. So Amina was rejected by her family. But she remained who she was, and she wanted to give her daughter a good education. That's why she speaks French to her daughter at home and her sister, because they came from a given social class where people were educated and spoke French.
Bria
Gomdige, you're the sister in the film, and you're the one who talks about Lingi. Could you explain what Lingi is, these sacred bonds, which are the title of this film? In fact, Lingi is a bond. Whether you're separated, far away, if this bond exists, you will get back together again. So it's not a family question. In the film, you have the impression that there's a sort of mutual support amongst women depicted or embodied by these bonds. Yes, before being separated, because she was chased out of the family by her father, she kept this love for her sister, and at a given point in time, she looked for support through this love. Ajay Fatima Ngoia, you're called the matron in the film. You're the midwife who's going to help Maria to get an abortion. I think you've been in almost all of Haroun's films since Sabuna. Yes, and since Bye Bye Africa, in fact. You've been in all of Haroun's films. And how did you go about preparing for this part? What, the most recent one? Yes, the one in Lingi. Well, I'm very familiar with the situation in Chad, and I know that this kind of thing happens often. I know that abortion is banned, but some people help women to abort. So this is still a common practice. Of course, it's an informal thing. It's not recognized in any way. At one point in time, the police comes and arrests the doctor who did abortions. But I'm a midwife in the film, a retired midwife. I wanted to help women who had problems like Amina. I'd like to add an important point, which she hasn't mentioned. Ajay is a chemist, and she works at the Mother and Child Hospital. So she's familiar with the topic. She's familiar with Chadian doctors who do not abide by the law and do abortions. These are people who, without any publicity, do abortions because they think it's scandalous that women aren't allowed to do this. And in fact, sometimes things end up very badly. because these abortions are just done in town,
Pour les femmes.
and the results may be disastrous for the
Mathieu
women.
Giombini, ma dernière question sera pour
Mathieu
vous,
Giombini,
avant
my last question is for you before we take questions from the room. Your DOP in the film,
Vous avez commencé à travailler
you
avec
started
Mamad
to work
Haroun sur Abouna. donc
with
autant dire que vous avez
Mahmoud
l'habitude de
Arun on
N'Djamena.
Abuna. You're
Et la
used to
ville est
working with
magnifique,
him, and in Chad,
extraordinaire. Dans
the
le
city
film,
is
un
very
personnage,
beautiful. It's almost a
des
character in the
planches sur le
film.
fleuve Chari qui
And
sont,
the Chahri
incroyables.
River,
Il y
the
a beaucoup
pictures are quite
d'extérieurs,
astounding.
beaucoup
A lot of
plus, me
shots
semble-t-il, que dans
are
les précédents
outside,
films
many
de
more
Mamad Haroun.
than in preceding films by the same director.
Dans une ville comme
How do you
N'Djamena.
shoot a film in a town like Jamina? It mustn't be easy. No, it's not easy at all.
Parce qu'il n'y a pas beaucoup de films déjà qui sont faits là-bas,
There aren't many films that are made there to start with,
qui peut être prévu déjà.
So
dans le
there's
pays,
not
la France,
much
fastidieux là-bas,
already there compared with France. You need lots of authorizations.
votre question,
But to answer your question more precisely,
en préparation,
in the case of this film, when we were preparing for it with Arun,
sur laquelle on avait déjà filmé,
Arun had already done a short in which we saw a lot of very powerful, strong women,
de continuer à faire cette activité,
and
parce
he
que
wanted to continue in this vein.
à tresser ces fameuses cordes
And the women
dont tu parlais tout à l'heure pour
weave these plastic ropes in order to survive. In the short, we tried out a new way of shooting.
format
We tried this format. We used a cinemascope.
les personnages
It's a way of including the characters in a given set, in a given decor, be it inside or on a riverbank. It's a way of magnifying these very strong women through their colorful garb, their presence. And I think we were pretty successful in that respect. Thank you. Now we'll take questions from the room.
Voilà, merci de vous lever, de
Please stand up, introduce yourself,
pas parler sans micro.
and use a microphone.
On me dit aussi que vous pouvez,
I've been told that you can also remove your mask while you ask your
vous
question.
pouvez enlever votre masque pour poser les questions.
Donc c'est Natasha Butler de Al Jazeera
Natasha
Television.
Butler,
Je vais demander la question très
I'm gonna
brièvement, si vous permettez. en
put a
anglais.
very quick question, first in English and then in French.
Mohamed Saleh Haroun, I wanted to ask you, will your film be shown in Chad, and how important would it be for it to be shown there? And what sort of reaction you might expect there? And if it won't be shown in Chad, why not? Est-ce que votre film va être diffusé au Tchad? Est-ce qu'il serait important de diffuser ce film au Tchad? Et quelle réaction attendiez-vous à ce film? Quelle émotion? Et sinon, pourquoi?
Merci, moi comme j'ai la voix
Well, thank
forte,
you.
je garde mon
As
masque.
I have quite a powerful voice, I'll keep my mask on.
Oui, on va le présenter
Yes,
au Tchad.
we're
En fait,
going
même,
to show the
récemment,
film in
quand,
Chad.
j'y étais,
Even recently, when I was there,
les gens s'attendaient à ce que je
people
présente le film
expected
après
me
l'annonce de la sélection.
to show the film after it was announced that it had been selected for Cannes. I decided not to do so at that time. It's a very topical issue in Chad, and it's been hotly debated for many years. During the shooting, when news got round, we had lots of women, lots of people who said, well, we're just waiting to see the film. And the reactions are extraordinary. People are eagerly awaiting the release of the film. So we intend to organize screenings.
Ashwar, Rian, tout ça pour débattre avec les
And
femmes. Et
we
on va
want
s'appuyer sur les
Ashwar
gens
and Rian to be there so they can talk to the women. A lot of women get organized to help each other, and we're going to try and trigger a discussion around the question.
Hello. Srđan Jakanović from Serbia, Ilustrana Politika. I wanted to ask you, where exactly did you shoot this movie? What is the name of the village? And that village, does it really look like that? And did you experience any problems there from local people, from religious leaders? And with the lack of some facilities, because I saw in the film there is no street lights. Is there any electricity there? Because we only see car lights during the night. And so on. And I have another question for actress, maybe after that.
J'aime bien, vous avez un humour qui me plaît.
I like your sense of humor.
En fait, s'il existe quelque part
In fact,
des villages dans le monde où il n'y a pas de
there
lampadaire,
are
je vous
villages
donne
in
l'adresse,
the
ne
world
vous
where
aiderai
there
pas.
are no street
Puisque vous ne
lights.
le
I
savez
could
pas.
give you the address if you like, but I'm not sure that would be very
Évacuer un peu
useful.
cette question.
So I'll put that question
Je
to
suis
one
tchadien,
side.
j'ai tourné à N'Djamena, qui est la
I come
capitale
from
du Tchad.
Chad. I shot my film in N'Djamena, which is the capital city of my country.
Qu'est-ce qu'il faut dire d'autre en fait?
What can I add?
Mais à N'Djamena, il y a un...
J'ai une question à vous poser sur
I have a
N'Djamena.
question about
C'est la
N'Djamena.
première fois que
I
vous
think
montrez
it's
la
the
ville
first
si
time you
belle.
have shown the city in
Le
such a
fleuve est
beautiful
magnifique.
way. The river is
On voit beaucoup
magnificent.
d'espaces verts.
We see lots of
La première fois.
greenery, lots of parks, and it's the first time you've depicted
Oui,
N'Djamena
parce
in that
qu'il y a-
way.
il y a- je voulais
Yes,
un peu magnifier en
it's
fait,
true.
et je voulais
I
être
wanted to
contre-courant
magnify the city.
de cette idée selon laquelle en fait
I
la misère,
wanted to show that
vit aussi,
abject
en fait, dans la
poverty
laideur, quoi. C'est pas vrai et
doesn't
moi, c'est
necessarily
si,
go hand in hand with
c'est le
ugliness.
contraste entre la beauté
You have this
et la
contrast
réalité
between
vécue
beauty
qui crée quelque chose,
and
quoi.
reality, which really
On a
creates
essayé de travailler
something.
sur ça, et
And we
il y a
try to
de
work on
belles
that
choses, mais
idea.
cette
There's
fois,
some very
j'ai
beautiful
osé,
things, but this time
tout simplement
I
parce que je
dared
voulais à un moment donné
to
aussi
shoot in
avec,
N'Djamena
avec
together with Mathieu Giombini.
à une forme d'abstraction.
I
qui
wanted
serait
to
que, en
create
fait,
a kind
les
of
lignes, les couleurs,
abstraction,
la lumière,
the light,
tout ça, en fait, croire en les forces
all these
du cinéma
elements
lui-même pour faire ressentir des choses. Et vous aviez parlé tout à l'heure.
can be used in a film to convey your message, and that's what I wanted to do by depicting N'Djamena in that manner. I wanted
donc sur le portrait de la dame, c'est
to create a portrait of the woman against the background of the portrait of N'Djamena. So that's the explanation. Yes, you have the floor.
Yes, I want to ask actresses Marianne or Ashoka, what is, apart from the topic of abortion, other problems of women in Chad, and does men in Chad have any problems? I mean, is there any difference?
Ashwar, peut-être que vous voulez répondre.
Ashwak, would you like to answer that one?
I mean, these are like women problem, teenager problems are problems that we find like everywhere in the world. But then you have your society, the culture, and what is accepted and what is not, what is taboo and what is not. And in Chad, like our culture, African culture, Chadian culture, there are things that we can talk about it. But then for myself, like women problem, young woman problem are the same everywhere. And in Chad, what we did is to dare to talk about it. Yeah.
Monsieur Olivier Barlet, je crois que vous avez une question.
You have a question, I believe?
Je suis en train d'enlever mon masque et de, et de
I'll
remettre
take
mes
off my
lunettes,
mask.
pardon. Oui, Olivier Barlet, donc pour Afrique
Olivier
Culture.
Barlet, Afrique
Ma
Culture.
question,
I have a
Mohamed
question
Saleh Haroun, c'est
to Mohamed Saleh Haroun.
à partir du moment où il y a dans l'ensemble de vos films
In all of your
sur la
films,
violence,
you talk about
il y a
violence.
aussi une reprise
Here,
qui résonne
you've
avec
taken
celle
up
de
the
Darat.
theme
On
again.
avait un
It's like
personnage
in Darat,
qui
where
arrive à
the
échapper au cycle de
character
la violence pour ne pas la
manages to
perpétuer.
escape this
Et dans
vicious
ce
circle
film,
of
on a la
violence.
question des femmes, du
And in
patriarcat,
the film, we have the
Et
question
on
of
voit
women and a
les femmes
patriarchal
qui,
society.
use de
You see
ruses
these
pour
women
arriver à
who
tourner le
use all
problème,
sorts
comme on
of
fait ça dans beaucoup de-
means to get round the problem.
C'est une réponse non violente, on va dire.
It's a non-violent way of
Effectivement,
responding.
Votre personnage,
Your character,
Akouash Abakar Suleiman,
Akwash, played by Ashwakat Abakar Suleiman, chooses violence in a sense.
Est-ce qu'il
It's
n'y
a
a pas
bit
d'autre
surprising
choix?
that. Is
Parce
it
qu'en
because she has no other
comme je
choice,
disais
because
tout à
she's so totally
l'heure, est-ce qu'il y a
alone,
pas
as we were
aussi,
saying?
au Tchad,
Or
des
in
solutions
Chad,
juridiques, des
are there
solutions
no
d'associations de femmes,
legal solutions, NGOs that group together women?
En tant qu'auteur, j'ai
Well, as a
librement le droit d'étonner,
director, I'm entitled to surprise people,
pas de dormir.
and I don't think that prevents people from sleeping at night.
En fait,
In fact,
c'est comme si vous me disiez,
it's as though you were saying to me,
vous auriez pu faire un autre film
You
en
could
allant voir les
have
femmes associées.
made
C'est pas- je
another
comprends pas
film
trop
if
bien
you'd
la
gone
question.
to see the women's NGOs. I don't really understand your
Donc,
question.
je comprends pas trop.
What you see in the film is what I wanted to do, so I don't really understand what you're asking me.
Ma question n'est pas
Well,
quel autre film il aurait fallu faire.
My
c'est
question
juste
isn't
savoir
that you could have done
pourquoi
a different
vous faites
kind of
ce
film.
choix-là
I
particulièrement.
want to know why you made this choice.
Sachant que vous essayez de lutter contre la violence.
You try to combat violence in all
Il y a
your
quand même une
films.
réponse
But
violente.
in this
Donc,
case,
je
there is a
demandais si-
violent
Donc, il y a
response.
pour vous un reniement.
So
C'est
for
comme ça que je
you,
l'entends.
it's as though I'm
Non,
denying my
c'est une
stance?
question que je
No,
vous
not
pose,
necessarily. I'm just putting the
Vous êtes
question.
étonné parce que je suis contre la violence et
I'm
là vous trouvez
against
que je suis pour
violence,
la
and
violence.
here you
c'est
think
ça
I'm in favor of violence. Is that what you're saying?
Non, cette
No,
femme
no.
a le droit de
This
se
woman
défendre.
has the right to defend
Pas
herself.
d'autres questions, moi je veux bien parce que là ça m'enlise dans quelque chose. Que
peut-être
je-
I don't really like that question. Maybe
On y
we
reviendra
could
tout
take
à l'heure.
another one because we're getting bogged down here.
Falila Badamasi pour apprécier. J'ai deux petites questions.
I have two short questions.
Jusqu'ici, vos principaux protagonistes étaient
So
des
far, your
hommes,
protagonists have been men.
des héroïnes dans vos
You
précédents.
had some heroines in your preceding films.
Finalement, plongé dans ce monde de femmes.
How come you suddenly plunged into this world of women in your film here today?
Voilà. Comment, en termes de thématique, en
In
termes
terms of
de
a
réalisation,
theme,
vous aviez
making the film, you used to shoot a lot with men. How did you
ouvert de femmes.
decide now to plunge into the universe of women?
Il
Then
y
I
a
have a
beaucoup
second
de plans,
question.
En fait, c'est un film sur le mouvement.
This
en
is a
fait.
film on movement,
Qui se bat
the
pour
movement
ses
of a
droits,
woman who's fighting for her rights.
On voit beaucoup courir.
We see you run a lot. And how did you work on this in visual terms? It's a constant race where Amina has to keep running. How did you put together the character, in
Alors,
fact?
Haroun, peut-être.
Arun, would you like to answer?
Et après, Ashwar.
And after that,
En fait,
Ashwa?
L'idée selon laquelle filmer des hommes serait différent
Well,
de filmer des femmes.
Is filming men different from filming women? I don't really understand that. I feel foreign to that idea.
J'essaye de
What I like is the characters, and I respect the characters, and I try to understand them.
mieux à leur côté, donc c'est ce que j'ai fait. Et
And that's
moi,
what I did in this
j'ai
film,
pas eu
too.
l'occasion,
I didn't have an
de
opportunity
faire, un film sur les femmes parce que tout
in the past to make a film
simplement,
on
il y a
women
quelques années, quand j'ai commencé, c'était assez
for the
compliqué.
following reason. When I started, it was rather complicated. Even in the case of this film, there were some girls who didn't
Mais
want
certaines
at all
scènes filmées,
to
enfin bref, il y a
have certain scenes
il y a une
filmed,
réalité
to be in
sur
certain
les
scenes.
sociales, une
There's
domination
a
des
given
femmes
social
sur leur
reality.
image,
Women
sur
are
tout ça, qui ne me permettait
very
pas,
careful about the image they
d'avoir
project.
l'ambition de
So
mettre en avant
it
des
was
femmes.
hard, therefore, in my
Voilà
previous
pourquoi
films to focus on
le
women's
faire. Sinon,
faces.
moi, j'ai
That's why I
été
didn't do
élevé
it in the
par une
past.
femme très forte, par exemple.
Otherwise, I was raised by a very strong woman, my grandmother. I grew up in a family with my mother,
Et je garde ça, j'ai hérité ça
who
d'elle.
was an excellent cook,
Et,
and I inherited that from her. I love to cook
j'ai
myself.
4 sœurs,
I
j'ai
have
grandi
aunts, I
entouré
have
de
4
femmes.
sisters. I grew up surrounded by women, and in this case, I was very fortunate because I could see women talking about these problems. All of a sudden, you meet someone like Ashwa.
Elle ne le dit pas, mais elle
She
est
doesn't say
directrice,
this,
au
but
ministère de la
she
Culture.
is a
Elle est,
director,
patronne
head of
de
department
deux
at the
restaurants
Ministry for Culture. She runs 2 restaurants. She has children. She's divorced. And I don't know how she manages all this. For the rehearsals, she came with the maid and her 2 children. The baby was 2 months old, and she really wanted to act in the film. It's a different generation. When I began 20 years ago, that kind of thing didn't exist. So there was this opportunity to do something today. And because the problem has become so very recurrent, I said to myself that perhaps I could lend faces to all these women, and that's how we went about our work. Ashoir, of course, may not tell you herself, but she knows a lot about women. The mere fact she's divorced is special. So she's familiar with all these problems. And I chose her because she's a mother and she can understand such issues. I don't know whether you have something to add.
Sur la question aussi du film construit comme un thriller. Et vous...
The film is a bit like a thriller. That's a very good question. Yesterday, I saw the film for the very first time, and I remembered that I walked a lot, I was constantly moving, and that's something I really loved in the film. At a given point in time, I said to Haroun, I read the script, there was no movement, and I was really down. So I loved all this energy. And that's what my life is like, and it's like the life of many other young women like myself. We're a new generation. We have all left Chad. I left for 13 years, and when I went back with my girlfriends, well, we left very young, and we come back to this society as married women, and we're all faced with the same problem. Yet we've learned how to be independent, to have a job. So it's not the same situation as in the past. In the past, you got married, you had children, and you stayed at home. Since this film, well, perhaps also because I've started to have children, because every time I see women in the street with a basket of fruit on her head, I can understand, I can identify with those women because they have children and they have to feed them. When we were shooting the film, I said last month to Haroun, I became more aware of my own situation. I'd just given birth to a second child. I'd also gotten divorced. And in the course of the film, I realized I was going to be a single mother and that it would be quite difficult. But as you said, you just have to continue with your job. I might add something to the idea of movement. There's this circular motion in the film. I wanted to create something that I wanted to show on the screen a woman who is constantly moving, constantly seeking solutions. Ashoir knows this, as we talked about it often. These women who sell coal, all these women in N'Djamena and other African cities. N'Djamena is a city which is like a reptile. It's very spread out. And one given segment of the population lives on the outskirts, and they have to spend all their time walking. And if you come to Africa, you have the impression that people are constantly walking. And that's what I wanted to show in the film. People walk all the time, but it's not just walking for the sake of having a walk. It's a walk that is really meaningful, that has a purpose. You have to move around and walk to survive, to eke out a livelihood.
Bonjour à tous, Cindy Ndiaye.
Good morning.
J'ai une question sur le travail.
I have a question
justement créer
on the work you did to create Lingi, these sacred bonds between yourselves, for example. Did you talk about your lives to each other? Could you tell us how you created this bond amongst the cast, both on the acting side and the directing side? How did you create this energy?
En fait, je ne
Well, in
saurais pas
fact,
expliquer parce que
I
sinon,
can't
ça
really
aurait bien
explain
partagé.
that.
Moi-même, je suis étonné parfois,
I'm
en fait. Ça, ce sont
sometimes
les
surprised
épiphanies de la
myself.
création. En
That's
fait,
the epiphany of creation, if
faut
you
pas
like.
croire qu'on est maître de tout, en fait.
We
On
don't
essaye de
control
mettre les
everything.
gens ensemble
We
comme
try
sur une
to
table.
bring
Vous
people
connaissez pas
together
les gens.
as though they were coming
Faites une
to share a
installation
meal.
et vous dites, ça va
You don't
peut-être
say to
marcher.
people,
Parfois, ça
well,
explose.
here you are, let's hope it works. Sometimes it doesn't work at all. Sometimes it
Cette
explodes.
alchimie-là,
But sometimes it's almost a
je suis celui qui essaie de
chemistry.
mettre en
It
place
sort of works. I try to
cette énergie-là.
set things up, and sometimes this energy
C'est le
arises.
ressenti et le talent je voudrais
It's
bien le
perhaps
reconnaître.
due to the feelings and the talent of the cast, how they understand this situation intuitively. All I did was to bring people together, explain things, and at a given point in time, I think it's they who took control of what happened.
Oui, bonjour, Hervé Rollin du
Hervé Hollin,
Burkina Faso.
Burkina Faso.
J'ai deux petites
I have
questions.
two short questions.
Je voudrais d'abord, de façon générale, revenir un peu sur le
I'd like, in general,
sur
to talk about
le cinéma africain face
your views of the African cinema
mondial qui devient de plus en plus.
against the background of a highly competitive global market.
Il n'y en a même plus
There are hardly any movie theaters left in Africa.
régulièrement ici.
You come regularly here to screen your films.
L'avenir.
How do you view the future of the African cinema? That's my first question.
Seconde question,
Second question.
j'ai vu avec beaucoup de passion votre documentaire en 2015,
I
Hissène Habré,
saw the documentary on Hissène Habré in 2015. I've seen the depictions of the Chadian tragedy.
tragédie qui s'est déroulée
What do you think of the
quelques mois
most recent tragedy a few months ago in Chad with the death of Debris?
Je crois qu'on va essayer de parler de cinéma.
I think we'll try and talk more about the cinema.
Je suis là pour
Well, I'm here.
j'aimerais bien parler de mon film, quoi.
I'd like to talk about my film, in fact.
Justement, la première question,
Well, the first question concerned your film.
Je pense que
I
j'ai
think
pas
that,
grand-chose
well,
à
the
dire.
African cinema, I don't have much to say about
Quelque
that.
chose.
If I have to say
Vous
something,
allez chercher dans les archives les déclarations de
look
Sambel
in
Ousmane et je
the
dirai
archives
pas
at
plus
the
que ce qu'elle a dit.
declarations made by Sambal Ousmane, and I can't really add much to that.
Et ici, enfin, je veux dire, j'ai pas grand-chose à dire.
I don't have much to say.
On est des cinéastes isolés, chacun
We're
dans son coin. On se débrouille chacun de
Directors,
bougies et
we all try to light
voilà, de faire entendre
our own little
des
candle
voix.
to ensure that certain voices can be heard.
Madame Soleil, pour
But
voir un peu
I'm
comment sera
not a
l'avenir.
soothsayer. I don't know what the future will hold out for the African cinema.
alors on peut parler peut-être de l'état des salles
Maybe
de
we
cinéma.
could talk about
Le
movie
Normandie,
theaters in
Cette
Africa.
grande salle de cinéma, ça a été un
And
grand
the
projet.
Normandie, that was
Oui,
a
mais la
great
salle
project
existe, elle
for
a
a movie
été,
theater. The movie theater
Elle
exists.
a été, comment dirais-je, ouverte,
It was
elle
opened,
a fonctionné, elle
and it
fonctionne
worked,
toujours, et
and
on
it's
va-
still
on va-
working.
Elle a fermé là pendant
It
je sais plus,
closed for, I don't know,
un an ou quelque chose comme ça.
it's been closed for about a
Et,
year or something like that.
On va la rouvrir
But we're
parce qu'on
going
va
to
faire
open
la
it again
projection là-bas. En fait,
because
elle
we'll
fonctionne,
be
c'est juste que,
screening
voilà,
the
il y a
film
pas
there.
de public et à
There's
un
no
moment
public,
donné, la
however, there's
question
no
du
audience for the time being.
elle est tellement... enfin, si on devait discuter de ça, je ne vais pas me lancer
I
là-dedans
don't
parce
want
que,
to
en fait,
launch
j'aime
into
bien
this
aller
discussion,
jusqu'au
in
bout
fact,
de mes
because
idées. Si je
I
commence à
like
parler
to
de ça,
follow through with
voilà,
my
deux
ideas.
heures.
If we start talking
Bien
about
vous
that,
laisser le temps parce
it
que
will
c'est
take me
un
about
dossier
2 hours,
que je peux pas...
so I can't really broach the topic.
Alors on va laisser
At
ce
this
dossier
press
de
conference.
côté. Je crois que
Okay, let's set that issue to one side. I think you have a question there.
Hello, I'm Galia Bogolaski from Chile. I wanted to ask you about the relationship that you created with this mother and the daughter. That it's very emotional. It shows very well. With how did you film these shots? Showing this bond between mother and daughter, their love and their companionship, like the relationship between them, and also to the actresses, if they can tell us how they created this bond in this process, please. Thank you.
En fait,
In fact,
j'ai commencé à partir du moment où j'ai fait le choix de Ashwar et de
I chose
Rian.
Ashwar and Rian as actresses.
Ashwar a été vraiment très disponible,
Ashwar
généreuse et tout.
was very generous, very gentle, very much available.
Et je leur ai demandé de vivre ensemble.
And I asked them to live
Rian
together.
est allé vivre chez
Rihan went to
Ashwar,
live
maison,
at Ashwar's house together with her children. And I asked Ashwar to consider her like a daughter. And that's how this bond was created. I don't know how they lived together on a daily level, but they shared the same house. They became very close. They shared their meals. And she was scolded by Ashwar when she came back late at night. It was the normal mother-daughter relationship. And that's how things happened. How they actually lived together in Ashwar's home, I don't know. They can tell you about that one. It was great. It was lovely living with Ashwar. We got to know each other. She's a wonderful person. She's an excellent mother. And she became like a mother for me. And it was wonderful to live together. We had our meals together. We talked together before going to bed. She reminded me of Haroun's advice, and it was very, very pleasant. It was very easy. I thought about my daughter when she would be Rihanna's age, and it was all very easy. She's a wonderful person.
Est-ce que je peux me permettre d'intervenir?
Could I perhaps take the floor?
Elles sont assez trop timides pour raconter.
I think they're too shy to tell you
Au milieu du
this.
tournage, on a tourné
In
cette
the
scène
middle
très,
of
très
the
fort.
shooting, we shot this very powerful scene
La fille et la mère
with the mother and the daughter.
frappent sa fille.
The mother hits her
À ce
daughter.
moment-là, très, très
I really was deeply moved by that scene, which is etched in my memory.
On n'a pas fait de répétition.
We didn't rehearse anything. We just got the camera going, and we took that
On a été
take.
bouleversés, en fait,
And
par cette scène
everyone
sur le plateau.
was deeply
Cette
moved on the
scène-là en
set by this
particulier.
scene, and I think it's
Il nous a
this
fait à
scene
nous
in particular
comprendre,
which
Européens,
enabled we Europeans
en tout cas un petit peu plus
to
extérieurs.
understand, we from
L'équipe tchadienne aussi peut-être.
further afield, maybe
Ce
even the
fameux Lingui
Chadian
qui
team,
venait de
it enabled us to understand this
réaliser devant nous,
lingui,
parce qu'elles étaient vraiment
which had been depicted there before our very eyes. After that scene,
à se dire
they
que
hugged
ce genre de
each
situation en
other.
fait, vous lie à jamais.
And of course, this kind of situation bonds you forever. And they were so very courageous
À mettre
as
tout ça
they
à l'image, à donner de leur
continued the film. They
Je voulais les remercier de-
enabled us to shoot this image, and I would like to thank them for enabling us to experience all this.
Tous.
Well, thank you very
Et,
much.
voilà, l'heure tourne, donc c'est la
Time
fin
is
de-
marching on, and we have now come
Merci
to
à
the end
tous.
of the press conference. Thank you very much.